Recently, I am encountered an issue which I plug in my USB drive to my Linux operating system. So during the plug-in day, I accidentally set the USB drive in only read-only mode. So what you can see is now I plug in my USB drive into the Windows operating system. Then they say we cannot format the pen drive because it is actually encounter an issue of only have read-only issues. So currently there's a read-only issue, read-only security issue that I cannot access some command in the Windows operating system, which is a diskpart, I believe. So there's a diskpart. You run the diskpart, then you can actually clear the what have in content for you can able to format even though there's a read only log issues. So what I did is I let me plug in and I show how is it. Already now it's working. So I show how can I actually format the SD card even though the read only security still occur. First of all, you go and search to this part, run the command, yes. Then the next thing is currently now I have which is in loft, which is the D0 is my local drive, which is for my Windows OS, which my PC, basically my local drive PC drive. Then another one is this one. You can see here the status is online and it is 58 GB. So I was using the USB drive, which is ADATA, 64 GB ADATA USB drive. And then the next thing you run this command to check, you select this particular this one for the cleanup purpose. So you can say select this one. So this one is now selected. This the next thing you should go to do is attributes, disk clear read only. So this attributes is already clear. So next thing we're gonna run the clean. Okay, so this will be clean the USB drive actually. So this part succeeded in cleaning the disk, so it's already successful cleaning. Then the next thing we need to do is create partition primary. This will be create a partition on the USB drive for primary partition. So this may take a while a bit. Okay, this part. So you need to format the disk. There is a prompt come out. You need to format the disk in drive D before you can use it. So you want to format it. Go ahead and start format. Okay. So you now can see the format is completed. So you close this, and you're able to access to USB drive D. It's totally clear up. And the security error for read only is already complete. Actually try out different things because I found out this issue for my USB drive. I just found out I have a research on Google and I have research on ChatGPT and so on. I found out this is the way to remove the read only security error. Okay guys, thanks guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.